Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a very interesting electric trike that folds, how about that? A folding electric trike by MoonCool called the TK1. Let's check it out. First, fold the front out and latch it shut. Then raise the handlebar post upward and slide it right in. It only goes in one way, so you won't have any problems. Now, secure it shut to prevent bending downward. Don't forget to remove the spacer between the forks, which they put there to protect it during shipping. Since it has hydraulic brakes, remove that spacer that protects the brakes. Next, we want to put the quick-release skewer through the axle. Don't forget the smaller end of the spring goes inward, while the larger end is outward. Then screw that on and twist until you find the proper tension. Now, we're going to put on the front rack by removing these 4 screws where it will attach. This is just the front rack. We'll put the basket on top of it in a second. Now, we're putting on the front fender. It might be easier to put the fender on first before the rack. The fender also has some fender stays on each side, which are not that bad to screw on. Alright, now we're going to put the front light on the front rack. Since we have the light that extends further to the front, there's an extension. Be sure to plug that extension in. There are 2 arrows on each end. Just line those up and push inward. No twisting. Moving on, you have the MoonCool logo on the side with some bottle holding screws right in the center. You have the locking mechanism that lets you fold the bike in half, the chain guard, and the 48 volts 15 ampere hours, which is removable. Right there, you have the 500 watts motor that peaks at 750 watts and a rear differential mechanism. As of this video, the TK1 folding trike is going for $1,599 on the MoonCool website. This price is currently on sale, so it might change in the future. The TK1 comes in multiple colors. The TK1 also comes in a non-folding fat tire option with a 400 pounds payload capacity, compared to the 350 pounds capacity of the folding version. The folding mechanism of the TK1 is very straightforward, taking just a few seconds to fold or unfold. The TK1 has a range of up to 60 miles on its lowest pedal assist setting. We had to take it off-road, given its front shocks and off-road tires. The TK1 handled the bumps perfectly, and with features like 3 taillights, turning signals, and hydraulic brakes, it's a great deal at about $1,600. If you're interested in the MoonCool TK1, please check out the affiliate link down below in the description. I'll also include any coupon codes to save you a little more money. Again, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and God bless you.